In this short video tutorial, we'll understand how to create an integer type variable in your C program. So when you write any program using the C programming language, you have to understand two things: how to declare the data variables and how to create functions. So when you have to declare a variable, you have to actually first decide what type of variable do you want to create. So in this video, we will be understanding how to create an integer type variable in your C programming language or in your C program. So let's first include our header file stdio.h. Whenever you write a very basic C program, generally we include the header file stdio.h. So let's now write the body of the main function. So the main function is the first function that you create when you create any C program. Inside the main function, so inside the body of the main function, the body of the main function is marked by the starting and the ending curly brackets. So inside the body of the main function, we are declaring the integer variable. Let's say we want to give the name x to our integer variable. So we will write int x and semicolon. So by writing this line, what we have done is we have created a variable by the name x, which is of the type int. The word int is a keyword in the C programming language. By keyword, we mean that this word int has been given to you by the C language itself, and it helps you create integer type variables. Remember that C is a case sensitive language, so you cannot write int as int in capital, or you cannot write int as int in all capitals. So the int data type has to be written in small case, and it should be written as int. So by writing int x, we have created a variable x which is of the type integer. So if you want to give x some value, so we will write x equal to 10. This means that we are giving value 10 to the integer variable x. If you don't want to write this in a separate line, you can also write it here. So int x equal to 20. So with this line, what we are doing is we are creating an integer variable x, and we are giving it a value 20 in the same line. And in the next line, then we are changing its value to 10. Right? So with this, I hope you have understood how to create the integer variable using the C programming language. Now, before I end this tutorial, let me talk about the local and global variables in C. Now, because you have created this int x variable inside the body of the main function, so this variable will be treated as the local variable for the main function. If you create a variable outside the body of any function, so int a variable we have created which is outside the body of the main function. So any variable that is created outside the body of a function is treated as a global variable, means that that variable can be accessed by any function in the program. The variable x is a local variable, means that it is only available inside the body of the main function, and it cannot be used outside the body of the main function. So we have created an int variable x which is local to the main function, and we have created an int variable a which is global, means that this can be used by other programs also that you will create in your C program. So with this, we'll end this short tutorial here. To access our complete C programming course, please visit openeschool.com/learnc. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we post.